Good evening, everybody. My research today is about enhancing the communication in educational supervision using ICT. Introduction. Learning and teaching have become increasingly dependent on information and communication technology ICT in the 21st centuries. With the rapid development of technology and its use in schools, such as computers and internet, education has become more dependent on technology. Many technologies have become commonplace in educational process, including electronic and distant learning systems, smartboard, tablets, and e-management systems. Likewise, the position of the internet and computer skills by school workers, such as principals, supervisors, and teachers, has become a prerequisite for their ability to meet demands of the new educational process. Statement of the problem: the large number of teachers affiliated with each supervisor. The capability of educational supervisor to provide the greatest number of classroom visits possible for such a large number of teachers. The distance between the schools that educational supervisor must visit. The efforts and fatigue that required to follow up on, since educational supervisors are often limited by how many classroom visits they are able to make each day. Research purpose. The purpose of this study is to explore and evaluate the effectiveness of using ICT in the process of implementing communication in educational supervision that enhance interaction between supervisor and teachers based on previous studies that have been conducted on this subject, as well as by answering the three study questions. Significance of the study. It is necessary to find the ways in which the use of ICT can enhance the role of supervisor and teacher in educational supervision communication and to increase their effectiveness. Results. Question 1. What is the need to use ICT in communication in educational supervision? The use of ICT in supervision has been shown to be more effective, save time, and make it easier. Teachers and supervisors use mobile and web apps to communicate and provide feedback after supervision. Sharing expertise between peers, teachers, and supervisors was achieved through online professional learning communities. Question 2. What are the ways to use the ICT tools to support the communication in educational supervision? Commonly used tools like WhatsApp, Google, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and other provided continuity. Supervisor and teacher need good training to perform educational supervision effectively. Support staff creates, share, and update online teaching and training. Question 3. What are the challenges and limitations of using ICT in supervision communication? Lack of ICT training and skills, limitation in device equipments, poor internet coverage. Conclusion. Using ICT effectively can enhance the supervising process. Supervision must use face-to-face communication and ICT tools. ICT can solve face-to-face communication problem, the large number of teachers affiliated to each supervisor, and limit the number of daily visits. Online supervisory communication solve the problems of training, meeting, and feedback can done via online tools.